how are you doing? Welcome into another amazing session, and I'm your master teacher Shivam Gupta. In today's class, we are going to see the surface area and volume of the cones. So let us start, champ. In this class, we will be looking at the surface area, the total surface area and the CSA of the cone. Then we will be looking at the volume of the cone, and most important, the relation between the slant height, the height of the cone and the radius of the cone. Then we will solve some question also. Then let us start with surface area of the cone. And as we can see that if we have a cone and if we open the cone, right, then we will get a sector, and the area of the sector will be nothing but the curved surface area, or we can say lateral surface area of the cone, which is pi into r into L. R is the radius of the cone and L is the slant height of the cone, champ. Now, if we talk about the total surface area, then in order to find the total surface area, we have to consider the base area of the cone also, which is the circular base. That is why CSA of the cone plus area of the circular base, pi r L plus pi r square. Okay, I don't think that we have to memorize this formula. We can write them directly. And if we talk about the volume of the cone, champ, then if the cone is of the height h, the radius is r, then the volume of the cone will be 1/3 into pi r square h. And if you will look very closely, then pi r square h is the volume of the cylinder. That means the volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder of same height and same radius. Very good. So now, champ, let's see the relation between the slant height, the height and the radius of the cone. So, champ, let's say if the cone is right circular cone, means the angle between the height and the radii is 90 degree, then we can apply the Pythagorean theorem, whereas the hypotenuse will be L, slant height. That is why L square equal to h square plus r square, and hence we can write L equal to under root of r square plus h square. I hope that is clear to you. So now, champ, let's solve some question based on these concepts. Look at the first one. How many meter of cloth this meter wide will be required to make a conical tent whose base dia is given and vertical height is given to me? So what they're saying that how many meters of this cloth will be required to make this tent, a conical tent of a specific dia and specific height. So, champ, we know the radius will be 5. We can find the slant height with the help of Pythagorean theorem, right? So L square equal to r square plus h square. We know r, yes, 5. We know h, 12. Hence we got slant height equal to 13 meter. Now, champ, the curved surface area of both will be equal. That is why let's find the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi into r into L. Pi is 22/7. Radius and slant height, we know that. So we have found the curved surface area of the cone now. But, champ, the area of the cloth required will be this. Why so? Because whatever the cloth we are taking, we will fold the cloth. We will do such kind of things so that the area of the cloth will be equal to the CSA of the cone. And that is why the width of the cloth will be given to us. What they're asking, the length of the cloth. That's it. The area of the cloth will be equal to the CSA of the cone. Right? So, champ, the cloth is a rectangular. So area will be length into width. Width is given to me. So length into width equal to CSA of the cone. And that's why the length of the cloth will be what? CSA of the cone divided by width of the cloth. Easy peasy. I hope this is clear to you. Very good. Excellent. Champ, let's see one more question. In this one, what they are saying, the radius and the slant height of the cone are in the ratio of 4/7. That means r upon L ratio is given to me. If the curved surface area is given, we have to find the radius. So, champ, can you tell me that in the formula of CSA of the cone, what are my variable? Pi into r into L. So radius and the slant height are the variable. The relation between radius and slant height is given to me. CSA is given to me. So I can find the radius. Yes. So champ, if R upon L equal to 4 by 7, we can assume that R equal to 4x and slant height is 7x. Now champ, CSA is pi RL equal to 792. We know pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 4x, slant height is 7x. We can find the value of x from here. And as soon as we can find the value of x, we can put the value of x in 4x. We'll get the radius. Very easy question. I hope this is clear. Excellent. Very good. Let's see one more. A right angle triangle with the side 3, 4, 5 is revolved about the side 5 centimeter. We have to find the volume and surface area of the solid. So champ, look at the figure. We have a triangle, right angle triangle, right? A, B, C. Now we have revolved the right angle triangle about the side AC, right? So we got two cones, one with the dia BD. The dia of both the cone will be BD. So now champ, in order to find the volume and surface area, we have to find the height of the cone also. That means we have to find the OA and OC. So now how to find OA and OC champ? So what we can do, that champ, both the triangle ABC and triangle ADC, both are the right angle triangle. Yes, both will be congruent also because we are revolving the same triangle. So we can find the area of the triangle ABC, half base into height, right? AC is 5, OB is R, the radius of the cone. Same, the triangle area ABC we can also find half base into height because the triangle is also right angle triangle, right? So we can write simply half AB into BC. One time we have considered base and perpendicular different. One time we have considered AC as a base and OB as a height. So then both are the same triangle. So area will be equal. Yes. So by keeping the area equal, we will get radius equal to 2.4. I hope this is clear. Now champ, as soon as we got the radius, now we can find the volume also. So now champ, we can see there are two cones, but the formula of the volume will be same, 1 by 3 pi r square h, right champ? So we can see champ over here, we can take 1 by 3 pi r square common, h1 plus h2. So AO plus OC. AO plus OC will be equal to AC, and we know AC is nothing but 5. Radius we have found 2.4. Pi is 22 upon 7, which is 3.14. We can find the answer. I hope this is clear to you. Very good. Now champ, the surface area. We know the surface area of the cone is pi RL. But we have two cones, so pi r L1 plus pi r L2. Now champ, we know that for the cone 1, L1 is 4. For the cone 2, L2 is 3 centimeter. To put the value of L1, L2 and pi and R, you will get the answer. So champ, calculation, we don't have to focus that much, but the concept is always important. Now champ, look at this question. The height of the cone is given. A small cone is cut off at the top by the plane parallel to the base. The volume relation will be given to us. So what they're asking, at what height above the base is the section cut? That means simple, they're asking the small h value. So let's see time how we can do it. Champ, we have the diagram. Now with the help of this diagram, we can take two triangles, A and B triangle and triangle AMC. Both will be the similar triangle by double A criteria. If both are similar, then ratio of the corresponding side will be equal. Now champ, AN upon AM is small h upon capital H. NB upon MC is small r upon capital R, right? Now champ, the relation is given to us. The volume of the small cone is 1 by 27 volume of the larger cone. We know the formula. After putting the formula, champ, we know this ratio. Yes. So we will put small r upon capital R equal to small h upon capital H. And from here, we will get the relation between small h and capital H. We know the capital H. Put the value of capital H over here. We will get the small h also. And as soon as we got the small h, what we have to find? Capital H minus small h is my answer. I hope it is clear. Very good. So now, champ, let's summarize our class. So in this class, we have seen the lateral surface area, total surface area of the cone, the volume of the cone, and what is the relation between slant height, and the radius of the cone. So champ, don't forget to practice. Keep smiling. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.